Hi, this is Jonah with Sweet Honey Code, and today we're going to add a PDF download using Shopify Metafields. So let's dig into some code. So as we get started, let's take a look at this sample Metafield that I've created. This one's a file Metafield, and the format goes product.metafields.namespace.key.value.url. Please note those two things, .value, .url. This helps us pull in the PDF. Now let's take a look at the settings here and make sure it's set to accepts all file types or else it won't work. Now we'll go over to our theme. I have a debut theme and I'm going to click on edit code. So now I'm going to find a spot in my theme to put this code. Product-template is the usual spot to take a look. As I scroll on down here, I'll show you the example code that I already have available. Here you can see it fully written out. I have my code wrapped around an A tag, and also note there's the .value.url, which gives us the direct link to that PDF. So let's go take a look at how this looks on the live site. So as you can see here, it neatly formatted out our links to our PDF. And this concludes this tutorial on how to add a PDF download to your Shopify store. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.